say thank you for greeting me a happy birthday to Shania Kiana, Kuya Lito. Thank you for greeting me happy birthday both of you. At least I met Kuya Lito, Shania Kiana. Thank you for greeting me happy birthday. Oh, for Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, I'm telling you, just stop fighting at Juan Carlo Pabale. Because, Juan Carlo Pabale is going to file the cases against you. Don't you even know that Juan Carlo Pabale is my good friend? He's my fellow special, that he's a friend of Ronald Rebena, and we are car enthusiasts. Why did you do that to Carlo Pabale, Mark Cruz? I'm telling you, the lesson from Capitana Salonga, you need to stop fighting at Juan Carlo Pabale. Oh. If Juan Carlo Pabale had filed the cases against you, if you do that again, Mark Domingo Cruz, the police will arrest you, Mark Cruz. There's a CIDG, there's a Philippine National Police. Oh, Juan Carlo Pabale will file the cases against you, Mark Cruz. Oh, that's what I say to you, Mark Domingo Cruz. You need to stop bullying Juan Carlo Pabale. You're bullying Juan Carlo Pabale that he doesn't do anything. Juan Carlo Pabale was right. He doesn't want to get in trouble. Just like me, I don't want to get in trouble too. If I don't want to join with Roylan Marlang and Ads Inclusion Philippines, I don't want to get in trouble because there is Mark Cruz. Oh, Danmar and we don't want to join in Ads Inclusion Philippines because there is Mark Cruz. Oh, if I am afraid, I don't want to drag Ian Martinez to get in trouble because there is Tito Boboy Martinez, the father of Ian. Oh, it will never happen. And if I were to say to you, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, do not fight at Juan Carlo Pabale. Apologize to Juan Carlo Pabale. It's better. At least I've been lessoned that from Teacher May. I've been taught by Ate Ellen. Do not curse Juan Carlo Pabale with the F word. Mark Domingo Quason Cruz. Juan Carlo Pabale, he doesn't do anything to you. Oh. And I'm saying to you, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, if you make enemies at Juan Carlo Pabale, if you call him an F word, if you call him an SOB word, if you call him an asshole word, Juan Carlo Pabale will sue against you, Mark Cruz. Oh. Don't you even know Juan Carlo Pabale, he doesn't like to be stressed? He's just like Teacher May, he doesn't like to get stressed. He was watching It Bulaga alongside with what is that? In It Bulaga, he was watching It Bulaga. He met the singing queens. He saw Jose Manalo, he saw Tito Soto, Vic Soto. I mean, not Tito Soto, I mean, Vic Soto, Vic Soto, and Joey De Leon. He was there. Oh, do you even think that Juan Carlo Pabale had met singing queens? Oh, he always met the singing queens. Unlike you, Mark Cruz, you're in the house, nasa bahay ka lang, Mark Cruz. Di ka kasi lumalabas ng bahay. Like I was told by J. Silva. You're in the house. Oh, how would you meet some rascal that you know each other? You can't go to Itbulaga Studios. J. Silva says to me, bawal kasi magmura sa Itbulaga. That's why, in Itbulaga, we must to do positive things. Positive and happiness. Like Teacher May, like Ate Ellen, both, they are showing happiness. Even Kuya Jojo as well. The Dabber Cats are not they don't like negatives. They want positive. Positivity. Just like I warning you, Mark Cruz, when you make cyberbullying at Juan Carlo Pabale, do not bully Juan Carlo Pabale because he's really alright. He's really stressed over with you, Mark Cruz. He's very stressed. He doesn't like to get in trouble. Me and Juan Carlo Pabale, we are car enthusiasts. Thanks Juan Carlo Pabale for greeting me happy birthday. Even Shania Kiana. And even Kuya Lito. And even my other friends. And even Teacher May Tiborsho. Thank you for greeting me happy birthday. And even Tito Mac. Shout out. Thank you for greeting me happy birthday. Even J. Rick Silva. Okay, let's talk about that. Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, do not bully Juan Carlo Pabale. Because he's my good friend. Ronald Rebena and Juan Carlo Pabale had visited the car enthusiast. I thought I want to bring Juan Carlo Pabale to visit what car museum in Japan, in Yokohama? Nissan Museum. If Juan Carlo Pabale wants to join my family trip in Japan with his family, Juan Carlo Pabale, he's my good friend. Mark Cruz, he's really kind person. If you're fighting at Juan Carlo Pabale, I say again, Mark Domingo Cruz, if me and Shania Kiana, we are warning at you, or we are telling you, or even Franco Cagayat is warning at you also, just stop arguing with Juan Carlo Pabale. Juan Carlo Pabale doesn't like toxicity. He doesn't like negatives. He doesn't like. If I say again, Mark Domingo Cruz, if Juan Carlo Pabale had filed the cases against you, you will be attend the hearing in barangay in San Pedro. At least there's a kapitan who's there in barangay in San Pedro, Laguna. They can easily want to bring Mark Cruz to attend the hearing, to talk with Juan Carlo Pabale. Do not bash Juan Carlo Pabale, Mark Cruz. Don't you even know Juan Carlo Pabale? He's also a good friend. He's a good dancer like Sir William Ducut. And he's good of hip-hop. And good of car enthusiast. Have you ever seen in his Facebook post, Mark Domingo Cruz, that Juan Carlo Pabale has posted in cars, in Instagram cars. Juan Carlo Pabale is a car enthusiast. Just like my friend Lawrence Villawan. Don't you even know you were hurting Juan Carlo Pabale, Mark Cruz? You're hurting anyone in social media? First of all, you curses Rodrigo Duterte with the F word. You call him a fuck word. And second, you attack Ryan Cristosero. And third, you attack Juan Carlo Pabale. And fourth, you call me an asshole. You call me an F word. What is that Marcos says? Fuck you word. Oh, that is a bad word. This is why me and J. Rick Silva, we are being offended from Marcos bad words. Oh, we are offended. You know, Mark Domingo Cruz, if you try again, if you say a bad words again, Mark Cruz, I will tell to Kapitana Salonga to to tell Kapitana Salonga, why can't you bring Mark Domingo Cruz in Caloocan from San Pedro Laguna to Caloocan in Metro Manila? I want him to attend the hearing to talk about what he is saying. Oh, I will set the evidence that what does Mark Domingo Cruz said. He curses bad words at Rodrigo Duterte. Oh, he curses bad words at Juan Carlo Pabale. With the SOB word. And there's my name there. And there's Don Mar. Oh, my former friend. And even there is evidence came back from Mark Domingo Cruz bad words from his mouth. There is what is that bad words that he said? F-U-C-K. Oh, in the threads in Instagram. I will show it to Kapitana Salonga. Oh, don't you even know Mark Domingo Cruz? If you curse me a bad words like that, Kapitana Salonga will punish you, Mark Cruz. We have a Bentulfo of Caloocan. Is Kapitana Salonga. Remember that, Mark Domingo Cruz. Either your brother, you saying about the Miyogi Night Kids like Shingo Soji in Initial D, and even you're saying about bad words, there is Kapitana Salonga. At least Kapitana Salonga is the Bentulfo of the Caloocan. You better be afraid, Mark Cruz. I have an ally, Kapitana Salonga. Because she is my mom, that was my mom's friend, Kapitana Salonga. Oh. At least Cap Jimboy, he doesn't know Mark Domingo Cruz. Oh, you better to be afraid, Mark Cruz. Because I know you're saying bad words. Look at what happened to Paulo Cruzada. Oh, what happened to Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan. Both of them, they're being scolded by their own parents. But the parents of Mark Cruz, they did not reprimand their son. Their son anyway, his attitude is always like that. He's saying about bad words many times in social media. Do you never teach that person that how to use social media? And saying bad words and over again, and you saying about an F word? Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, show a shame to others. You don't give lots of a shame. Oh. Remember that, Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz. Because I have a ally there is Kapitana Salonga and Tito Mac. Because you got your own ally is Carvilus. Carvilus only is your ally. What if Carvilus snub you, Mark Cruz? Everyone will hate you. Even Paul Matthew Somera, he will snub you anyway. Because don't you even know that Paul Matthew Somera, he was a friend of Ronald Rebena. Even Matthew C., oh, my good friend, that was close friend of Dan Mardayaw, he will snub you. Oh, everyone will snub you, Mark Cruz, believe me. Oh, when you curse a bad words at Dan Mardayaw, you curse a bad words at me, when you curse a bad words at Juan Carlo Pabale, even when you curse a bad words at Kuya Rodelio Daguman, that he's nothing doing anything. And you know, Mark Cruz, you are wrong. Why I call you the word factism? Why I call you shittism? Oh, because you are making troublemaker. You are causing a cyberbullying to other people. Even to Carlo Pabale, for what you have done to my to my good friend. Oh, don't you even know, Mark Cruz? Pag minura mo pa si Juan Carlo Pabale, I say again, Mark Cruz, ipapatulpo ka na, Mark Cruz, ni Juan Carlo Pabale. You know, like I said before, Juan Carlo Pabale is really strong, really tough, really rogue. Oh, he's just like Matthew Timbal. He's just like Matty, that I met him in Dr. Sincha and I was in a dentist. Oh, he was strong. He doesn't want to get in trouble. And I say again, Mark Domingo Cruz, everyone will hate you. Daming tao galit-galit sa iyo, like I said. You should never say that bad words. And do not create lots of troublemaker. And here's my warning to you, Mark Cruz. Kapag naumulit ka pa, pag minura mo pa si Carlo Pabale, there is the one thing you can do. He will go to CIDG. Oh, he will go to the PNP. Oh, or he can go to the PNP anti-cybercrime group. And he will file the cases against Mark Cruz about cyber libel or online defamation. When Juan Carlo Pabale had filed the cases against Mark Cruz, online defamation, he will be sued of cyber libel for using his bad words. Because I know Juan Carlo Pabale, he has a lawyer, or he has a lawyer named Attorney Harold Respicio. Oh, that was a close friend of Attorney Raul Lambino, the one of Duterte supporters. Oh, believe me, Mark Cruz, you will get sued. Because there is another Marcos loyalist and manipulative in Laguna named Mark Domingo Quason Cruz. Remember, Mark Cruz, I am warning you. If you bully Juan Carlo Pabale, he will file the cases against you. Because you know, Juan Carlo Pabale, he's losing a patience at you. He doesn't like your attitude. And thank you, Juan Carlo Pabale, for being a good person. At least you were a good car enthusiast. At least Juan Carlo Pabale is a part of my group alongside with Jerick Silva and Shania Kiana. Oh. And he's a part of the group of who are my group anyway? Oh, Jens Manaid, Buddy Castro, Bill Galang, Ronald Rubena. Oh, he's a part of my group, including Dan Mardayaw and even Cedric Mariano. Oh, he was a part of the group. Even even I create my own group, including my group anyways, Joyce Patrick Opesha. And even my good friend Mati, who was in Dr. Sincha, he's joining in my group. Oh, even Roylan Marlang is joining in my group also. Oh, you have no group, Mark Cruz. At least if I invite Kuya Mel Nixon Castro, the husband of Ate Hana, in my group, he's part of my group. Oh, even Ate Hana. Oh, you know Mark Domingo Cruz. You will be show your consequence. That's why I'm telling you, do not bully Juan Carlo Pabale because that is a cyberbullying.